So you have used method 2, correct? Second method you have used.
And also, Renuka Miss has told me that if I find anything hard or anything and I don't get the answers to like some questions in science, because I do that on my own, right? So she doesn't mark them and give it to me. So that is why I have the science target. So should I buy a maths target or not? And she's also sent me a link for shala.com, in which it has all subjects, all answers of the textbook questions.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I will be referring to that only. So I should not buy a target, right?
No, not needed. Not needed. For maths, according to me, not needed. So what?
No, but is it fine if I sometimes like your recordings are there, but like if I want to, if I don't know how to do it, and if I look into the Shala thing, is it okay?
Yes, you can. Yeah, you can. It's just that on that side, sometimes the calculations are mistaken. Okay, because I have checked it myself. So sometimes calculations are mistaken. Sometimes they have used
So
a
if I find
difficult.
something like that, I'll ask you.
Yeah. No, but my point was that I wanted to say just carefully look at the sum. So when you directly don't copy, carefully look at it, analyze it. That's the thing.
No, not to copy, just to recheck. Because in the textbook only the final answer is given.
Yes. Yeah, you can definitely. There is one more. Merit Nation is also there. Then there is Learn Cram as well. So if not one, then you can see the other side. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Wow. So we'll see the second one. We'll see second sum. Okay. Can you try this by using which identity formula can be used? Can you tell me? See, tan theta is given. They have asked you to find sec theta. So which identity has tan and sec? Keep the formula open in front of you, wherever you have written the formula. Unmute yourself and say, give the answer.
Yeah, tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta. I find method, the method in which such equations are given, in which you use, I find that easier.
The first one or the second one?
I don't know first or second, but whenever I use the trigonometric identities, I find it easier.
Okay, but you did the sum in the second method, the homework sum. That is, you have not used the identity.
Yeah, but you only told me to do it in the second one.
No, you could have done in the first one. I said your wish, whichever you want. Okay, but that was correct. Whatever you did was correct. Now this sum, I want you to do.
Even tan is correct. The second part.
Yes.
So it's that easy, right?
Yeah.
I thought it must be that you have to do it all over again.
No.
And I used a shortcut or something.
It's correct. Now this sum, I want you to use the trigonometric identity and solve. Okay, you solve it and show it to me. Okay, use the trigonometric identity.
This is from the practice set.
Yes.
Every time, do I have to mention that it is method 1 and method 2?
No, no need.
Because I'm not doing that. So.
Yeah, no. But just make sure if you're using the identity, write the identity first, the formula.
Also, I just had one doubt. We can't use like cot into. Oh no, we can't. Sorry. We're going to use tan theta, tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta, right? And the next class of mine, which is going to be at 5:15, is cancelled. So you can continue till 5:15 if you want. So this will be 3 upon 4 square plus 1 equals to sec theta, right?
Sec square theta.
Yeah, sec square. How do I do this sum? I did it as 3 upon 4 square plus 1 equals to sec square theta,
Can you
which
show
gives
me?
me 9 upon 16 plus 1 equals to sec square theta.
Yeah, correct. 1 plus 10. Yeah. Now do cross multiplication. So 9 upon 16 plus 1 upon 1. So cross multiplication. So when you do cross multiplication, you have to multiply the denominator also here.
So 16 plus 9 upon 16.
16. Yeah. Yes. Show me once you finish that step.
25 upon 16.
Is equal to sec square theta. Correct? You're muted. Yes. Correct. Now what you should do next? What will you do?
Root on both the sides.
Yes. Yes. take square root both
So
sides.
square rooting on both the sides.
Yeah. But don't write square rooting on both the sides. Write it as taking square root on both sides. And you know square root of 16 and square root of 25.
Root sec square theta also, because you're...
You can, if you want, you can skip that step because that is understood. So you can just write it as sec theta. Yeah, correct. Correct.
But this will become 5 upon 4 equals to?
Sec theta. Square root,
okay, fine. The
square
square,
root and,
okay.
Yes. Yes. Next, what was asked?
Cos. And
Cos.
cos is
Reciprocal of
1
1
upon
upon?
sec.
Yes.
1
And you
upon
found
sec,
out.
right?
Yes, correct. Correct.
So uh, then cos will be 4 upon 5.
Yeah. Okay, it's correct, but write that formula also. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec before the final answer. Okay, good. Correct. So that was
The
the
sum is over.
yes, second sum. Now let's move on to the next one. Can you try the same sum with, no, it's okay, you'll get confused. We'll go to the third sum. Third sum, cot theta is
Such
40.
sums, you get a chance to do it by your own method, or you have to...
Yes, by own. Usually they don't specify the method 1 or method 2. They don't specify. Whichever you find it easy, you use that method.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll move on to the third one. Third sum says cot theta is 40 upon 9. Find value of cosec and sine. Now, tell me which
But
identity
cot is
has...
the reciprocal of tan, so cosec and sine are not.
No, look at the identities, the three identities. Which identity has cot and cosec?
Uh, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec theta. Cosec square
Yeah.
theta.
Yes. So you know now which identity to use. Use this identity.
In today's homework, can I just do this one thing, that all the formulas, I'll just write it down once and send you the photo?
Yes. Yes. You
Because
have
I've
it.
written all the formulas on different pages, so I have to like go through
Okay.
every
Okay.
page.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So what you do is write all the formula one time on one page itself and just keep as your reference. Okay. Stick it on a
Yeah,
wall or
because on the...
somewhere. You haven't written it on your whiteboard yet?
Yes, but like I'm not sitting in that room, so if I have
Oh,
to,
okay. Okay.
I have
Okay.
to go over.
Okay.
I have to do this.
Yes, you have to do it. Yeah. Find out cosec squared theta.
So we are not going to do any sums by the Pythagoras theorem method.
We can do that also. It's just
But
that you
it would
take,
be lengthier, right?
yes, it will be lengthy.
And sorry, I was just asking for the idea.
Yes, good. It's correct.
You can hear me, right? I'm audible.
Yes,
You
yes.
can see my video, right?
Yes.
It's raining here, so it's showing me that my internet connection is poor. So just if I can't hear you, I'll tell you. But if you can't see me or hear me, then just tell.
Yeah.
Also, the hand trick was very nice. I showed it to many of my friends. Nobody knew this trick. It was very easy for them to identify all the ratios.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
usually we used to have that you have to do 1/4 while it was
Hmm.
taught in school also. But
Yeah.
this
You have.
hand thing I heard it for the
Yeah.
first.
Yeah. Hand thing. What happens is you can get any trigonometric ratio anyway. You don't need to know the previous ones.
Yes.
Practice that little. So once you have a good practice, no, you'll be little faster.
Yes.
Okay, so we finished first 3 sums. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. So fourth sum says if
This one you're going to use sec into something, is it?
1 minute. Huh?
So into formulas you're going to use
Yes.
multiplication marks.
Okay. Before doing the fourth sum, we'll do some example sums. Let's understand the example sums. Once you understand those example sums, then you'll understand how to do the fourth one. Yeah. Did you say something?
No, no, no. I did not say anything. I just said yes.
Okay. So we'll do the example sum, which is very much similar to the fourth sum of your practice set. Okay. So this is solved example number 3. If 5 sine theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. So this is given to you the question 5 sine theta minus 12 cos theta. So what you do is 5 sine theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0. First thing, you take this minus 12 cos theta on the other side. So you'll be left with 5 sine theta is equal to 12 cos theta. First step clear what I did? I just took minus 12 cos theta on the other side. Yes or no?
Yes. But anything, okay, we're adding.
Hmm. Now what you do is you divide both the sides by cos theta. Okay. I'll write it. Divide both sides by cos theta. So look carefully. So this will become 5 sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 cos theta upon cos theta. So
Cos theta upon cos theta will be 1.
yes.
Okay, will be
And
cancelled.
yeah, it will get, yeah, that's 1 only. And sine upon cos. Do you know what is sine upon cos? Sine upon cos. You can see in the book and tell.
Tan.
Correct.
Tan theta.
So we had here 5 sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12. And you know, sine upon cos is tan. So this becomes 5 tan theta is equal to 12. Is this clear up to here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have to take this
So
5 on
then
the
tan
other.
theta equals to 12 upon 5.
Correct. So tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. So we got tan theta. Now first what I have asked you to find out sec theta. I know tan theta and they're asking you to find out sec theta. Now look at the trigonometric identities and tell me which trigonometric identity has tan and sec. Trigonometric identities. Yes. Unmute yourself and say I
Oh,
can't.
sorry. Tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta.
Yes.
That is
1
a
plus.
trigonometric identity, right?
Yes. We have
Then
just
what is a
3
trigonometric ratio? Ratio
trigonometric
is
ratio,
okay. Okay.
something upon something. That is a ratio. We just have 3 identities. So whenever I say identities, you look at those 3 formulas. First one, sine square theta plus tan square theta is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Whenever I say identities, look at these 3 formulas only.
I have written tan square plus
Yeah,
I've
it's the
written
same.
tan square plus 1
Yeah,
and
it's the
1
same.
plus cot square theta.
Yeah, it's the same.
So in
One you
one
can
I've
write.
written like this and one I've written like that.
Yeah, it's okay. It's correct. 1 plus tan square theta or tan square theta plus 1 is one and the same. But it will be for remembering purpose. Write it like this. You may be able to remember it clearly. 1 plus tan square and 1 plus cot square. Okay. Can you complete the sum from here?
After writing this, right?
Yes. Up to here, is it clear? Correct? Up to tan theta? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, once you know tan theta, just substitute it in this formula and find out sec square theta. Will you be able to do this?
Yes.
Okay. 2.
You've divided like how you divided the page into 3 parts. Do I also have to do that?
Divide what?
You divided the page into 3 parts, right? First you find it out tan, then you find it out found out sec, and then cosec.
Yes.
So you did
Yes.
that in one thing. So should I do it one below the other or like how?
Yes. You do one below the other. You do it one below the other. Okay. You don't divide your pages. Do it one. First tan theta, then after that write the formula and find out sec square theta, and after that the last cosec theta. Okay. But first find out sec square theta, sec theta, and show it to me.
Yeah.
Then after that, I'll tell you how to go to cosec theta.
After I come to 1 plus 144 upon 25 equals to sec square theta, what do I do? I forgot.
Cross multiplication. So you may have 25 plus 144 upon 25.
Yes,
Correct?
equals to sec square theta.
Correct.
Um, tan
Unmute yourself and talk. I can't hear you.
sorry, I was unmuted, I guess. Okay, fine, fine.
Yes.
Tan theta equals to 12 upon 5, and so sec theta equals to 13 upon 5.
Yes. Correct. Can you just show me the
Show it.
calculation? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Correct.
I can divide the page into half and then just write on this side over here.
Yes. Yes. You can do. Yeah. Draw. You can draw a line. Okay. Now, next we need to find out cosec theta. Next has to be find out cosec theta. Now, and we have sec theta. If we have sec theta, we have tan theta. We have to now find out cosec theta. Is there any identity that is related to tan and cosec and sec and cosec? Is there any identity?
Just
Look at the
related to
tan and cosec, which has tan and cosec, or which has sec and cosec. Because we have to find out cosec, and we know tan and sec theta, tan theta and sec theta only.
sec
No.
and cosec.
Yeah. Are there any identity with these two in it? No, right? No, not there. Nothing is there. So we'll have to use some other technique. Now I will give you a hint.
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras. No, try using identities only. Now you have already started the sum with identities. So try using identities only. I'll give you
In
one hint.
identities also there is nothing which is cos and sec.
Yes. Now we have to find out cosec. We have to find out cosec. You know, cosec is reciprocal of
Sine.
sine. Cosec is reciprocal of sine theta. So if I know sine theta, I can find out cosec theta, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, and I know sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of?
I don't understand what it is. Just start from the beginning again.
Okay.
What two things that you told me to find and that whenever in any
See, we need to use identities, trigonometric identities. Now there is no such idea, and we know tan theta 12 upon 5, and we know sec theta, that is 13 upon 5. We have to find out cosec theta. Correct? We have three identities. I'll write down the identities. First is sine square theta plus cos square theta. Whenever I say identities, these three formulas should come in your mind. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta.
we can't write tan square theta plus sec square theta equals to 1.
No, not plus. Not plus.
No, but
Did you
we can't
just?
form it like how we formed the first identity of
No,
sine and cos. We can't do that.
no. You can rearrange it. You can rearrange it. So if you rearrange, this would become tan square theta minus sec square theta
No.
equal to 1.
Minus is 2.
Minus will come. So it's better you remember it like this only. These three identities are very, very important. You should memorize these. Okay. Now, I know tan theta and I know sec theta. We have to find out cosec theta. Is there any one of these three identities which has tan and cosec or sec and cosec? Is there anything?
We can use the last one because we know tan. So cot will be 5 upon 12 and then cosec we can find.
Okay, this one you're saying. Oh, yes. Okay.
Yes.
So you'll have to take the reciprocal. Okay, can you try it?
It's not the one.
You
It's
tried,
not the
no?
one which you have taken.
No. What you said is correct. You will get the answer. I did not think of it. Yes, you will get the answer. So I want you
Oh
to try.
yes, but the easier one would be tan and sec. But how would
No,
we get cosec from?
you said we can find out cot by taking reciprocal of tan. Correct?
Yes.
So do it. That is correct. That is a shorter method. What you said. What method I have done is a lengthier one.
Do it with a pen or pencil so that is this rough or is this fair?
You can make it fair because you will get the correct answer. You want me to solve it?
No, I want to know which formula have you used. Because I don't
Okay.
think this is the one which you used.
What you have said, I have not used that. But what you have said is a shorter one.
Okay, I'll do it and then we'll come to it.
Yeah, okay. So first take the reciprocal and find out cot theta, then use it in the third identity formula.
What was the identity? Can you write the identity?
One plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Are you stuck somewhere?
No. Cosec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. Now, how did you?
Correct. Can you, before that, can you show me a calculation? Oh, you have done it in pencil?
Yes, because I thought I might go wrong.
Actually, the pencil is too light. I can't see.
I'll just take a photo and send it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
1 second. Did you get it? Can you hear me?
Yes, I got it. I'll just check. Perfect. What you did is correct. Okay, now I'll show you the method that I did. So first cos theta is 5 upon 13. Now this,
The one which I did, I can use, right?
sorry, what?
Sorry. The one which I did right now, I can do it, right?
Yes,
I
yes,
can use it.
yes. That is a shorter method what you have done. So yes, you can use it. So I'll show you the method that this is.
Yeah.
So first I found out cos theta by taking reciprocal of sec. So we know reciprocal of sec is cos. So cos theta would be 5 upon 13. Now I know cos theta, and I'll use the first identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This will give me sine theta. If I substitute, sine square theta is equal to cos theta is 5 upon 13 is equal to 1. And now take this 5 upon 13, the whole square on the other side. Okay, I'll solve it and show.
I did not understand, but you don't get sine theta, right? You
We
have
will
to
get
find
sine.
cos.
We have to find out cosec theta. But
Yeah,
in
so then
this,
how will you get
this
cosec
this
from that?
this will give me, solving this, it will give me the value of sine theta.
Okay, and then the rest. Okay, fine.
And then you can take the reciprocal and you can find out cosec theta. Now this is lengthy. This is lengthy. First you take reciprocal of cos, then use it in the first and find out sine, then take the reciprocal and find out cosec. But what you said is very shorter. It gave you the answer in just one step. Okay, so you can,
Yes.
so you have understood trigonometry.
Okay.
So 13 upon 12 is the correct answer. Now coming to that exercise sum. Fourth sum of 6.1.
Uh, Hello.
Yes, fourth sum. So let's start this
Are
fourth
you
sum.
speaking? Because I
Yes,
can't see your slideshow. I mean, I can't see your presentation, and even you're
yeah.
frozen.
Can't you see it
So,
right now? Can you see the
hello.
question?
Are you talking? Because I can't hear.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Unmute yourself if you're talking.